Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening System Settings and going straight to Keyboard. This is where macOS often routes typing to voice features. Once there, locate Dictation and toggle it off so the system stops converting typing into speech. Make sure you also check the shortcut assigned for dictation and remove or change it to avoid accidental activation. Also open Accessibility and peek at Voice Control, disabling or limiting that prevents speech feedback while you type. These first steps remove the usual culprits quickly and reliably. Next, go to Accessibility and choose Spoken Content. This is the deeper setting that controls speech for selections and typing feedback. You want to turn off Speak Selection and any typing feedback options. Once done, the system stops reading text as you input it. If you prefer some speech, reduce the speaking rate and choose a quieter voice to lower disruption. Make sure to confirm the keyboard feedback is set to none. This prevents the system from announcing characters, words, or suggestions while you work. To finalize, restart your Mac or log out and back and so all voice settings fully apply. This often clears lingering speech behavior. If you still hear voice, inspect third-party apps like screen readers or accessibility plugins and disable their speech features. As a last resort for persistent audio quirks, reset PRAM or SMC. This can resolve hardware-level voice output oddities. If nothing helps, test in a new user account to isolate settings. That way you'll know if it's system-wide or limited to your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.